Good morning, children. Now we are going to enter into the third unit of 6th class. In that, what can $1.11 can do? See, $1.11 means generally if we talk in our money, 1 rupee 11 paisa means the sense for understanding you people. I am saying 1 rupee 11 paisa. How it is that much? What it can do? But it can do a lot of things. These are same little money. It can make a miracle also. The same miracle happen here. See, a person, his character, it will come out with his kindness. If we are kind towards others, the same kindness should be towards us also. Here, a little girl's story. Actually, it is a story, we can make it into a play also. Okay, that afterwards. And the story, one little girl is there, her name Tess. Tess, actually children are very intelligent, too intelligent, very clever. They observe everything and they calculate everything because at that age they have the intention to learn new things. Here, this child, one day what happened? She came to listen the conversation between her father and mother. Father is saying to the mother that Andrew, he had a great sickness. Andrew, Tess brother, he is suffering some illness, and that illness is very severe. Then father said to tearful mother, mother is crying, and father saying to that, we can't save this Andrew. We didn't have that much of money, because if we want to save this Andrew, then he need some of the costly surgery. So now it's not there in our hand to save this Andrew. Father said to crying mother. Mother said, only miracle can save now my child. That she said. This is a conversation between father and the mother. Thus she listened this conversation. Then immediately what she did, she went into her room. She took out kitty bank you people will use, like that. She also had a kitty bank that she took and she broke that, and she took another jar. In that jar all the money she poured while counting, and she held the hand in one hand. She started to walk towards the medical shop. She came to the medical shop. Innocent girl, she don't know. Actually, miracle is one of the medicine. Like that also she don't know. Innocent. She came to the medical shop and she asked the chemist, "Sir, I need miracle, the medicine. What the cost of that miracle? Miracle is a medicine? No. It's a miracle means something wonder want to be happen there. That wonder, it caused wonder. No. But that girl, she don't know. She asked, what the cost of miracle? Chemist, he can't do anything. He felt very sad, very sadly by laughing. He said that, sorry girl, I didn't have any miracle with me. That medicine not there with me. Then the girl said, uncle, if the money is more for the miracle, I have some of the money. Now at present, I will bring some more money after some time. Please give me miracle. Again she asked. The chemist said, sorry girl, I didn't have any miracle. There, at the same medical shop, beside one gentleman, he stood. He had a good coat and is looking very nice, smiling. He asked the girl, girl, which kind of miracle do you need? Then the girl said, Tess said, I don't know, uncle. I don't know, sir. But my father, he said to my mother that my brother, he had severe illness. To cure that illness, he needs some of the miracle. But what miracle? I don't know. And then the gentleman said, girl, I have that miracle. Then the girl asked her, Then the gentleman asked, how much money you have? Sir, I have $1.11 with me. Then the gentleman laughed and he said, girl, that's the exact cost of the miracle. That gentleman is none other than Dr. See, Dr. Carlton Armstrong. Dr. Armstrong and is a famous, world famous neurosurgeon. That gentleman, he stood there and he took that $1.11 in one hand and another hand he held in the hand of the girl and asked the girl to take him to her house. Girl, she took him to the house. After going to the home, this doctor examined Andrew and he came to know what the disease he had and he suggested to the parents that immediately join Andrew into his hospital. Parents joined Andrew into the hospital. Armstrong, Dr. Armstrong, he treated him, he did the operation and he saved the life of that child. After operation, after curing of the child, again the mother said to the father that only miracle it saved my child. That miracle is Dr. Armstrong. That the mother said to the father. But the test again she is there. She listened the word and she smiled herself because she know the exact cost of that miracle. The cost of that miracle is $1.11. That's the feeling of the girl. So this is an innocent girl story. It's very interesting now. Now listen now. Now you have to read and read the vocabulary and try to write the summary of it. It's important. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. See children, now that lesson is completed, but homework should be there now. Here, homework is there to you. In your textbook, page number 37, he gave about the verb. Already, I think I said what the verb to you. Said or not? I don't know. Maybe you know, I think. If I don't know, you want to know that. If I not said, again I will say verb. What is the verb actually? Actually, whichever the words we will use in our daily life, that all the words are divided into 8 parts. That 8 parts are called as the parts of speech. That 8 parts of speech is, again I will repeat, one is the noun, second one is the pronoun, third one is the adjective, fourth one is the verb, fifth one is the adverb, sixth one is the preposition, and the seventh one is a conjunction, the eighth one is the interjection. In the previous class also some of the exercises came to you. At the time I think I explained it to you, but again I explained it. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. The 8 parts of speeches. In that we are going to learn about verb. What is verb? Noun means name, name of a person, place or thing. Pronoun means instead of the noun, whichever the words we will use, that is called pronoun. Adjective, adjective is a word which says more about the noun. Means it qualifies the noun. That is adjective. Now, verb is there. I will keep it into pause because remaining also we will see. Adverb, adverb is the word which qualifies an adjective and a verb and another adverb. 3 it qualifies. Preposition. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun and other parts of the sentence. That is called preposition. Conjunction. Connecting. It will connect to words, to phrases, to clauses, to sentences. That is called conjunction. Interjection. Inside whichever the feelings we have, that all the feelings it shows. Means our strong feelings that are shown in interjection. Now verb. Verb is a work. It's a possession also some of the time. Why I am saying that? Is, it is. For example, she is a girl. Actually is, it's not an action here. It's showing about this girl. Possession it is showing. So, not always it is a verb, but Generally, we will take verb as an action word. It's an action. Actually, in your textbook, what he gave? Regular verbs, irregular verbs. What the regular? Irregular. If we come to the school, we are regular. If we not come to the school, we are irregular. The same. See here, regular verbs by adding ed or d. And irregular verbs. Only simple. Here we want to add d or ed. Here another form. Another form, directly form will come. For example, some of the examples he gave. Decide, decided. And for example, I will write here. Talk. It is the V1 form. V2 form will come. Talked. For here, come, came. Okay, again one more doubt. What is V1? What is V2? V1 form means present tense, present form. V2 means past form. Past form, present form. Here also same. V1, V2. Some of the verbs, by adding d or ed, we can make the present into past. But some of the verbs, we want to write another form of the verb to change it into V2. So whichever the verbs we will add d or ed, that verbs are called regular verbs. And whichever the verbs we want to write another form, that verbs are called irregular verbs. In your textbook, some of them they gave fall, fell, give, gave, rise, rose, speak, spoke, sing, sang, live, laughed, teach, taught, drink, drank. These all are irregular verbs. And stop, stopped, no, clean, cleaned, talk, talked, do, did, irregular again. So like that. Take, took, irregular again. Write, wrote, irregular. Okay. See, saw, irregular. See, like that, regular, irregular, we want to divide and you want to write. So, page number 38, there was an exercise, there is an exercise to you. That exercise you have to do.